Hello friends, I'm Anupriya. Welcome to your English class. In this session, we are going to take important grammar lesson, that is active and passive voice. And the tense we are going to learn today, it is past perfect tense. So, talking about the past perfect tense, can you tell me the helping verb of this tense? It is had. And along with had, we use third form of the verb. Now, look at the example of this active voice tense sentence. That is, they had borrowed a pen. As I explained you that in past perfect tense, what is happening? There is a subject. एक subject होता है past perfect tense में. Then उसके बाद helping verb आता है जो कि had होता है और had के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? Third form of the verb use करते हैं. Last word is object in a sentence. So, talking about the first step when we need to convert an active voice into passive voice is what? Identify करना. क्या identify करना? Subject, verb and object. Now quickly tell me इस sentence में हमारा subject क्या है? They है and verb है borrowed because the activity of borrowing something, pen borrow करने की activity हो रही है. So here it is a verb in this sentence and last is a pen is the object. Now let's jump on the passive voice sentence. अब हम exchange करेंगे किसे? अपने ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट के साथ. सो क्योंकि पेन यहाँ पर क्या था? ऑब्जेक्ट था, वो हो जाता है सब्जेक्ट. अब यहाँ पर आपका पैसिव वॉइस में जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है वो क्या हो जाएगा? हैड बीन प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. नाउ अ पेन हैड बीन borrowed, which is the third form of the verb, by whom? By them. क्योंकि वो दे था, दे क्या कन्वर्ट हो गया them में. यहाँ आपका वर्ब चाहे सिंगुलर हो या प्लूरल हो, आप had ही यूज करेंगे. had been पैसिव वॉइस में एंड एक्टिव वॉइस में had यूज करेंगे. सो नेगेटिव सेंटेंस देखते हैं. They had not borrowed a pen. Here what is the sentence? A pen had not been borrowed by them. Not between है किसके? Had and been के. Had they borrowed a pen? Asking a question, which is an interrogative sentence. Because when we ask a question, what we do, we put the helping verb of that tense at the head of the sentence so that it could appear that we are asking a question. We have also done the same. Had a pen, which was an object in the sentence, here it is a subject. Had a pen been, third form of the verb, borrowed by who? Then, because that was they. Taking that example, he had given many options. यहाँ पर आपका subject singular है, but आपका verb plural है, all right? Because options लिखा है, it means there are many options. It was not a single option. So he had given many options. When we convert it into passive voice, how do the sentence comes out? Many options. क्योंकि options आपका subject बन गया है, so that because it is a subject here, had been given by them, and it is already known कि past perfect tense में had been ही use होगा, चाहे subject singular हो या plural हो. No confusion, all right? Only keep it mentioned that we will add been along with had. Had के साथ been add कर देते हैं passive voice में और हमारा object subject की जगह आ जाता है. थर्ड फॉर्म वर्ब का होता है एंड देन आप प्रोनाउन चेंज करते हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग. अगर ही है तो ही हो जाता है, वी है तो अस हो जाता है, अगर दे है सो इट इज टर्निंग इनटू देम. नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट वन. वी हैड विजिटेड मेनी प्लेसेस. हियर सब्जेक्ट इज आल्सो प्लूरल एंड ऑब्जेक्ट इज आल्सो प्लूरल, बट नो कंफ्यूजन, वी विल यूज ओनली हैड बीन. सो मेनी प्लेसेस हैड बीन विजिटेड बाय us. She had confused me. Am I confusing you? No, I am making it clear. Alright, she had confused me. Here, your subject is similar and object is similar, but no worries because had been is there. आपका me convert हो जाएगा I में. I had been confused, which is the third form of a verb, by her. We have seen that in past perfect tense, when it is active sentences, what we do, we use had plus third form of the verb. But जब हम उसको passive में convert करते हैं, so first thing आपका object बन जाता है subject and plus had been plus third form of the verb, and then comes the rest part of the sentence. So that's all for this session. If you have any doubt, any query, or something is not clear to me, do write us and tell us in the space below. Thank you. Bye.